Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed into Google, so let's create your Blogger blog now. First, click Create New Blog, enter a clear blog title that signals your niche, and pick a short URL slug. Make sure it's available. Once done, select a template style to set layout basics. You can change colors and fonts later. Make sure to set visibility to public unless you want a draft-only workspace. This gets your site shell live and searchable, so don't linger on tiny design choices yet. Now customize layout and prepare content. Open Layout, add or remove gadgets, and drag elements until the header, sidebar, and footer read clearly. This affects navigation and ad placement. Next, hit New Post. Write a concise title, use headings, insert images, add labels for organization, and edit the permalink for SEO. Once done, review settings for comments, search preferences, and whether to connect a custom domain. This is where usability and discoverability are determined, so take care to configure thoughtfully. Publish your first post after previewing on desktop and mobile. Click Publish and share links to social channels or newsletters to attract initial readers. Once live, connect to Google Search Console and enable analytics to monitor impressions, clicks, and behavior. If something breaks, check common problems: 404 errors from permalinks, template HTML causing layout collapse, or blocked images due to mixed content. Clear browser cache and resave the template. If issues persist, revert recent template edits and retest to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.